We are vagabonds who will not go by the rules set by nature. Nature has set some laws for human beings that have to be within that. Breaking the laws of physical nature is spiritual process. In this sense, we are outlaws, and Shiva is the ultimate outlaw. You cannot worship Shiva, but you may join the gang. If you want to evolve, you must be willing to step into the fire. Only then the impurity will burn and the gold will shine. This is the path of the fearless. You don't walk with guarantees, you walk with fire. Birth is not the beginning. It is bliss awakening in form. We arrive not as strangers, but as echoes of the infinite, riding the breath of stars into flesh. The womb does not trap us, it initiates us. This life, this scream, this skin is not burden, but blessing. To be born is to be touched by joy we've forgotten. Death is not the end. It is mercy cloaked in shadow. What the mind fears, the soul kneels before. It is not cruelty, but compassion that ends our cycles. When the wheel has turned too many times, a hand made of silence sets us free. To die is to be released with gentleness. Meeting is not accident. It is sweetness sculpted by time. Every soul we touch is choreography, not chance. Some come to break us, others to break us open. In every gaze, a mirror. In every embrace, a message. The union is sweet because it is sacred. Memory is not longing. It is love that never left. When we remember the divine, it is not absence, it is recognition. Smarana is the heart whispering, you were always here. To remember is to be bathed in grace. Even fate is not random. It is written in kindness we don't yet understand. Time may seem cruel, but its hands are guided. Every storm, every betrayal, every delay was precision, not punishment. All that happens in time is soaked in compassion. The whole of existence, all of it, is compassion, wearing 1,000 masks. Joy is grace, pain is grace, loneliness is grace, success, failure, hunger, silence. All of it is the beloved, burning and soothing you into awakening. Everything from my Lord is nothing but compassion. We are the time riders, no victims of time, but riders of it. Mystics draped in bone and blood, breaking through karma with fire in our breath. We don't escape fate, we transform it. Because now we know there is no enemy, only grace in disguise. This is the path of the fearless. You don't walk with guarantees, you walk with fire. You are already that which you are trying to be. The more you try, the more you will miss. You simply accept yourself. You just be. In the world, you desire money, power, prestige. Then you get fed up with it. When you see the whole thing, it's just rubbish. Even if you get it, you are defeated. If you don't get it, you are defeated. Then you become to feel that this whole thing is nonsense. This is what I'll call to become gods. The moment you start playing, living in the moment, you have become a god. I'm here to persuade you that you are already gods. Just to persuade you to look at your own face once again, and not to go without searching for something which doesn't exist. Only this moment exists. This moment is eternity. Just be total, alone in your absolute purity. You are already that which you are seeking. Too many lives you have already given to them.